This time, my friend, all crypto market is not comfortable. Every coin were very badly face down. But congratulations, many congratulations to Kishu inu is comfortable. You can see here 30.44% Kishu inu price will increase now. Sometime the Kishu inu price were fails down to zero, my friends. So therefore, first of all, I will tell you, my friends, to Kishu inu will not make one permanent point. They will not fails down from this point. Definitely, it is temporary pumps and it is temporary fails. So don't pay, my friends. Just only invest for a short time. Remember, to Kishu inu is very bad coin for a long time investor, but good coin for a short time investor. So 0 point, you can see, my friend, I think 0.24680 and 1802 USD dollar is the current price of Kishu inu. It's very cheap price, my friend. Definitely you will easily buy it, and my friend, you can see a 30.36% get a profit. So that's mean to in very short time you will get a very good profit. Absolutely, my friend, this type coins will give you a very good profit in very short time. So don't miss this chance. Please take a risk and get 100% profit. I am 100% tell you, my friends, to this coin is very risky, but absolutely this coin is very easily give you a very good profit. So therefore, it's a really good chance, my brothers, so you will earn a lot of money. The market cap, you can see, my friend, 0.00% you can see here invest now, but fully market cap is 30%. You can see, my friend, increase now. So volume, you can see here 188.43. Wow. In last 24 hours, absolutely it is unbelievable, my friend. You can see here no coin will make this, my friends, huge, my friend, you can see here record. So you can see here this time, you can see here volume market cap is 0.08229, and my friend, you can see here is nothing something special available more now. So my friend, you can see here, here is some very special information. The live issue enterprise live today is 1.81 USD dollar with a 24-hour trading volume of 14 billion USD. You can see here we update our Kishu to USD price in real time. Kishu inu is off 30.49% in last 24 hours. The current coin market cap ranking as 2722, well, live market cap of not available, so the circulating supply is not available. All right, my brothers, so don't worry, this is not does not need, my friend, you now to understand the circulating supply available, my friend, or not available. Just and only focus on the market cap, and just and only focus on the my friend, change occurring percentage. This is very important for all of you to understand now. So if you would like, my friends, to know where to buy Kisho, just and only, my friend, the link is available now. So just and only check out, my friend, the description. First of all, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. I will make every day, my friends, video for Kisho. So subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notifications. See you next time, Kisho. All your please like video and subscribe channel.